How are you? How are you?
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi.
You're okay.
Hi.
You're awesome.
Yeah, awesome.
Auntie? Awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome where? Yeah. Yeah. How are you? Kwa nini sijakuwekea? Sijakuwekea. Kwa nini hujaniwekea? Ameamua kuenda peke yake. Hi, wapi me? Me, where? Uko mo? Akao? Me. A sheep. Let's go see the sheep. Yeah, sheep. Hajai kuja place green hivi. Mo. Hey.
Anaweza fanya farming vizuri. Ayaone hivyo.
Ekao. Ekao. Wewe ni Masai? Umekuwa Masai? Ekao. Wapi cow? Ekao. Haikufurahishi?
Inamwangalia. Ekao.
Ekao. Ekao. Eh, wapi sheep? Where's the sheep? Sheep. Maybe has just come to see flock. Cindy love.
Yeah, she's seeing cows and sheep.
She's just okay for now.
He's noticing them from her. Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. Up.
Come. Come, brother. A sheep. Man. A man. Have you seen a sheep? A sheep? Have you seen a sheep? A man. A sheep. It says man. It says me. Let's go say hi to me. So today, mommy and daddy brought you to see open space, to see me, photo of me, and to play. Yes, you've seen me. I've seen me and a cow. And a cow.
Sheep.
Cow?
A sheep.
Yes, a sheep and a cow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and a goat. And a goat.
Ba. Ba. Ne. Si umeona cow? So umeona cow na umeona sheep. Have you seen the cow and the sheep And the big field. Yes. You see other babies are brought here to play and they have played.
Now they're going home.
Now we now go home. Tupite katikati ya mee. Ndio. Ngeteni.
Ini lasho.
Lasho. Say lasho.
Na hii kondoo engir.
Engir.
Lakini hii mbuzi hii. Ile mbuzi. Mbuzi, ona mbuzi. Ingine.
Sawa.
Living present now, keeping memories alive with the favors family.